Are your bedroom struggles affecting your confidence? It's common for men to face challenges as they age, yet worthwhile solutions exist. Let's explore BioChoice Pro, a rising men's enhancement supplement. This supplement naturally supports men's energy, stamina, and libido. Curious about what's inside? Let's find out. BioChoice Pro delivers effective results using natural ingredients like Maca root and Barrenwort. Horny goat weed supports reproductive health, while Zinc helps to naturally boost testosterone levels. But here's the thing, not everyone has had the same experience. Plus, there isn't an official website, which might raise some questions about how transparent the product really is. That's where PeakErect comes in and truly shines. This supplement focuses on your needs with results you can feel. PeakErect helps boost your stamina, supports healthy blood flow, and gives you that extra confidence to feel your best every day. PeakErect sets a high standard in the market with full ingredient transparency and a trusted reputation that resonates with customers. If you're ready to make a real difference, PeakErect could be the choice that works better for you. Feeling like your best self starts here. Discover how PeakErect can help you feel more confident and energized. Check out the detailed review. Links in the description. Ready to crush your goals? Like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below.